Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 20 questions for TGT English Literature and other English Literature associated teaching exams as a practice set 41. Let's start. Question number 1. The line I am not Prince Hamlet nor was meant to be belong to T.S. Eliot's poem Jaronson, The Wasteland, Love Songs of J. Alfred Prufrock, Preludes. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Love Songs of J. Alfred Prufrock. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Iliad was first translated into English by Dryden, John King, Pope, none of these. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be none of these. Option D will be the right answer. Iliad was first translated into English by George Chapman. George Chapman. So the option D will be the right answer. Next question. Who is the prince among essayists? Lamb, Steele, Hazlitt, Bacon. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Lamb. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. A game of chess is an allegory, a romance, pop, none of these. What will be correct answer? A game of chess is an allegory. Option A will be the right answer. Correct answer option A. Next question. The birthday party is an absurd play, a farce, a tragicomedy, a poetic drama. What will be correct answer? The birthday party is an absurd play. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. The medal was written by Dryden, Pope, Keats, Collins. What will be correct answer? The medal was written by Dryden. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Collective unconscious is associated with Darwin, Hardy, C.G. Jung, Freud. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be collective unconscious is associated with C.G. Jung. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Pleasant and unpleasant is the name of a play, poem, a collection of plays, a collection of essays. What will be correct answer? Pleasant and unpleasant is the name of a collection of plays. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Who was the greatest of the war poets? Who was the greatest of the war poets? Sessoon, Brooke, T.E. Helmy, Owen. What will be correct answer? Owen was the greatest of the war poets. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. Who wrote Arts for Art's Sake? Lamb, Pater, Oscar Wilde? None of these. What will be correct answer? Oscar Wilde wrote Art for Art's Sake. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. The work 1985 was written by Orwell, Shaw, Anthony Burgess, Miller. What will be correct answer? The work 1985 was written by Anthony Burgess. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Who edited the works of Shakespeare? Oliver Goldsmith, William Collins, Alexander Pope, Thomas Gray. What will be correct answer? Alexander Pope edited the works of Shakespeare. Option C will be the right answer. Alexander Pope. Next question. Miss Hardcastle appears in The Good-Natured Man, Candida, The Stoops of Conquer, Jude the Obscure. What will be correct answer? Miss Hardcastle appears in She Stoops to Conquer. Option C will be the right answer. Next question. Who wrote an Equal Music? Salman Rushdie, Vikram Seth, Amitabh Ghosh, Arun Joshi. What will be correct answer? Vikram Seth wrote an Equal Music. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Who was the intellect behind the French Revolution? Rousseau, Keats, Godwin? None of these. What will be correct answer? Rousseau was the intellect behind the French Revolution. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Who is associated with New Criticism? Richards, David Duchess, Brooks, Johnson. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Richards. Richards is associated with the New Criticism. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Religio Medici was written by Religio Medici was written by Walton, Brownie, Wycliffe, Congreve. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Religio Medici was written by brownie. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. The Canterbury Tales has pilgrims 21, 29, 25, 20. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 29. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Stratford is a poem, play, epic, sonnet. What will be correct answer? Stratford is a play. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Great Tradition was written by Aristotle, Sidney, I. Richards, Johnson. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be I. Richards. Option C will be the right answer. Great Tradition was written by I. Richards. Option C will be the right answer. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the learning about 20 questions. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.